Hey, what is going on, guys? It is time for the second annual Christmas in July sale here at USAGS Gundam Store. I'm going to tell you all about it in today's video so that you guys don't miss this opportunity to save a bunch of money ordering some really cool stuff from us here, and you have the opportunity to win some really cool prizes as well. A lot of really cool stuff going on. So first of all, the sale period is going to go from July 18th through the 26th, and you'll be able to get 20% off site-wide using the coupon code CJ2026. And now, like I said, we've got some really cool free stuff and giveaways that we're going to be doing as well. So for the first 500 orders of $200 or more, that's after your discount is applied and before shipping, then you're going to be eligible to win one of these prize packs here like this. Now inside the prize pack, we got a lot of really cool stuff. In here, you're going to get one of our advanced toolkits. You're going to get a set of mecha decals, a set of detail parts, an action base, and then an exclusive summer 2026 Apex sticker that's only available in this set, as well as this original artwork enamel pin here of this melty Gundam popsicle. Very cool. And on top of all that, each one of these prize packs also includes a scratch off ticket, which has a variety of different stuff that you can win in there, and there's coupon codes for that. So it could be anything from winning something instantly or getting a special prize code that you can then later use again later on to get an extra 10-20% off, something like that in the future. So a lot of really cool stuff in there. But on top of all of that, then there is also going to be the giveaway. So every order that is placed during the sale period is just placed into the pool that then later on Adam and I will be doing a live stream. And during the live stream, we will just randomly select order numbers to win some of the giveaway prizes for this year's event. And we've got a ton of stuff to give away. So let me read out all of the giveaway prizes here for you guys. So starting off with probably the biggest one here is going to be one of the Nielsen Works Monument EX kits, a really cool kit. Huge kit. And then from Bandai, we're also going to be giving away an MG Full Armor Gundam, as well as a real grade Sazabi and a master grade Barbatos Lupus. From Kotobukiya, we're going to be giving away a Megami Device Asura Ninja model kit, and then a bunch of SNA model kits, starting off with the Flame Soul version of the Fire Lord, along with the SNA Nether Emperor, and then a number of the SNA Round Table Knights model kits, as well the Soul Spear Lamarak, the Divine Invoker Percival, the Iron Sickle, and the Aegis Knight Achilles. So like I said, all the orders placed during the sale period will be entered into that giveaway, and then we'll just randomly draw the winners later on. So stay tuned for that. But I think that just about covers everything there for you guys. But of course, if you guys do have any other questions about the sale, do feel free to contact customer service about that. As I said at the start, this is a great opportunity for you guys to pick up some really cool stuff at a very nice discounted rate and have the opportunity to win some stuff in there as well. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you're able to find lots of cool stuff there on the site. And when you do get your orders, do make sure to tag us on social media if you do post what you get from your orders, just so that we can see what you guys are enjoying from the site. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys all so much for your support, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.